Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a bit of a different squishy in the fact that I'm trying out a new technique and I made this squishy in under 5 minutes total. A really quick and easy one to make, especially for beginners, especially if you don't have a lot of time on your hands and you want to try out something different. I must say I definitely prefer memory foam and like foam squishies myself, but this here is a great alternative, so just keep on watching to see how I made it. So first of all, using some cling film, I just took a piece of this around about 30 centimeters in size I would say, and then I took some toy stuffing. This is actually stuffing from inside of an old pillow. I just popped that inside of the cling film, wrapped it up almost like a burrito to begin with, and then pulled in both sides. I taped both sides down into place and then kind of flipped it over to see what shape I was working with. Felt like I wanted mine to be a bit more square for the chonky butter shape, so I actually just took in some of those corners with some extra tape. Once I was happy with the shape, I then went in and decorated it. So I actually used an acrylic paint marker for mine and just colored that in because that was the quickest way I could think of. You can obviously paint this in, you know, fabric paints or something if you want to. Acrylic paint would probably work just fine for like a kind of short-term squishy. If you're looking to make this more long-term, I would recommend fabric paint. Yeah, I painted it with a light yellow acrylic marker and then I just took a light blue, wrote the word butter on it. Unfortunately for me, I put my camera on the wrong setting, didn't I? So that footage is slightly out of focus, but we'll just zoom past that, forget about it. I then painted on a little face at the bottom using again just an acrylic paint marker, and then I left that to dry literally for a couple minutes whilst I went off and made myself a drink. I came back, I wrapped the whole thing in cling film again, just like I did basically the first time around, just making sure it was nice and neat and the whole painting and everything like that was protected. I taped it again on the back, so for the design I didn't bother decorating the back. I'm not really going to see it myself, so I thought why bother, why waste my pens? There is zero point in that, so I just left it plain, but you can obviously decorate the back if you want to as well. Once I had it retaped, I then gave it a couple squishes. I realized I needed some more airflow in there, so I started stabbing the whole thing with a needle just to allow more air to go in and out and pass through so that it rose up slower and or a little bit faster I should say. And once I had done that, the squishy was then complete. So the fact that this took me under 5 minutes to make was great. The supplies in this were really inexpensive. I just used what I already had, and I feel like that's why I wanted to bring this tutorial today, just to show you how that squishy would turn out and give you some extra ideas for making low budget squishies. I'm always up for trying new techniques, and I definitely am going to be trying more that I see kicking around just so that we can test them out together. I think it's always good to have a good variety of different cute crafts, especially when it comes to squishies, because I know not everyone can get hold of foam and fabric paints and everything like that as easily as some other people. I will be testing out different types of foam as well soon, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you on the channel, especially if you love cute little squishies and other cute DIY crafts. Then, you know, I might just be the channel that you have been missing in your life. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I shall see you very soon for another video.